And now wave both hands to the side. How does that feel? Do you have a sense of more light? Let's do it again. Cover one eye, wave. Now you look straight as you wave from elbow to hand and hand to elbow without looking at your hand. You may only sense the movement. So elbow to hand, hand to elbow. And all around. We do exactly the same thing here. Hand to elbow, elbow to hand, all around. Now open both eyes and wave. Now, put the paper between your eyes and wave your hands to the side. Fun, isn't it? Okay. And now let's do the next thing. Put this on. Blink gently all the time. That means don't scream, don't stress, don't use your face. Just blink. Relax your jaw. Make sure that your tongue is down on your lower mandible, and just let the mouth open a bit without really opening it. And wave. Now, can somebody turn all the lights off? It's becoming romantic tonight, isn't it? All the lights off. Okay, wave. Do you have a sense of your hands?
Yes.
Yeah.
Close your eyes. Visualize them. Now wave your hands again. Okay? Now turn the lights on. Keep blinking. And all of them. Okay, do we see the hands better now?
Yes.
Yay, nay? Okay, now put the small one on. So here's my question. Is the small one smaller? Yes or no?
Yeah.
You know what it means? Your field of vision got bigger. And from a certain age, doctors always measure your field of vision. Did it shrink or not? Now you know how to make it bigger. Now put it back to me right now. The page looks with the large small print. Nice, huh? The eyes relaxed, and we can wave the hand to the side, yeah?
How many could see some improvement in their vision after a drink? Now look, put your hands way up. Now remember, if this was an iPhone camera, it would make no difference. Is that clear? How could you see better by doing these kind of things? So it's really implying that somehow you're doing some use of self, changing your neurology and changes your vision.
Absolutely. Now you have more periphery. Not that you have more periphery, but you're using your periphery. You're using the plasticity of your brain, uses the periphery. Life got you to stop using it. And now you're using it. Does that make sense? Very important. So let's start and work on this, huh? I'll put the paper on. And can we play music here?
I presume it could.
I have my Boomba. I'm kind of old-fashioned, you know. I'm still a cassette guy. They don't, I mean, few of us exist, you know. Just very few. Okay, so let's do this. Clap my hands. But look straight at the paper. Don't look at my hands. Yeah, where are my hands? No. You can't look at them. Yeah, there you go. So all of you, don't look at each other's hands. Get yourself a partner. Clap the hands.
Really keep changing, you know.
But don't look at your hands. Keep doing it, looking at your partner. Okay, now look at the page again. How's it look? Nice, huh? So my friends, I think I made my point. There's much more to teach. But you have a wonderful course going in front of you. What you can even download my book, Vision for Life. I just want you to know we'll have a course for natural vision improvement on February for 6 days here. We'll have anybody who wants to be trained by me, a training course in August for 16 whole day, 10 hours a day, you know. And that's the beginning of the training. We work not only with vision, we work with paralysis, and we work with injuries that most people can solve. I will teach now all over the world. I'm gonna go to Germany for a Natural Vision Improvement Conference. Then we'll teach a workshop there. Then I'm going to Italy to teach a workshop. And then I'm gonna go to Spain or Catalonia, whatever you call it, Barcelona. 2 days I'm gonna work with teachers of natural vision improvement, and 2 days with low vision people. Low vision means even with glasses, they can't actually see the big letter on the chart. And some of them, as I told you, from almost blindness, we can get them to have some functional vision. Then I'm gonna go to Greece to be on TV and to work on some clients. And then after that, I'm going to Sfat, the northern part of Israel, to teach. I'll be back here in November. And so it's very good that Erik had time for me right now before the 27th is when I'm leaving. And our organization, we need help. We need people who can volunteer to help us with different things. And we also need